Most people would wait. Rent equipment, make it easier. But that's not how we're doing it. Because today, that concrete coming. So today, either we're going to make real progress or we're going to question all of our choices in life.
Oh no!
Because in a few hours, our concrete truck is about to show up. And we're going to be wheelbarrowing it, all of it by hand. Wish us luck. Welcome back to Living Lucky Off Grid. Well, we build it ourselves, if it's good or not. It's good. All right, guys, so here's the plan. So we're going to get the concrete truck. We're going to get the concrete truck to pull up about right there. And then we're going to grab our fancy wheelbarrow and we're going to wheel it all over to there. And we'll pour it in, shovel it in, fill them up, and then go back, repeat, go back, repeat, go back, repeat. So hopefully all of these stay level or it's going to look like we're building a roller coaster. And I'm not trying to build a theme park. I'm just trying to build a house, eh? All right, guys, so we have to make sure, I'm going to verify that everything is still level because we had like 3 days of storms. That's why everything was kind of washed out. And I ain't going to lie, when I got here, I was very upset because a lot of my tubes were full of water. So we bucketed all the water out and we did some checks, make sure everything is still kind of level. Some were off, but good thing the ground is still kind of moist. So we kind of shimmy, shake them until they were level. So now we got most of them level. And I think we're going to get the concrete, go ahead and come, and then we're going to pour it and then kind of make sure they're level as we're pouring. So, all right, so like this one, it's pretty close. So in construction talk, that's basically saying we're going to go ahead and send it, right? Yep, that's right. We're sending it. We're sending it, boys. All right, guys, so we did all our last minute checks before the concrete gets here because there definitely is not an undo button because once we get the concrete in, that's it. That's it. Ain't no turning around. Here it is. No turning back now. Wheelbarrow 1, feeling kind of confident, guys. Let's go. And just like that, guys, we got concrete in the first hole. Let's go. Now we got the first hole done. We only got 1 million more holes to go. Fucking excited. So we're a little halfway done. We got a lot more to go, and I wish I hired some help to come help me. I don't want to do this by myself anymore. We still got about 12 more holes to go. You want to let it come out here and offer a free hand? Yeah, so we're almost done, guys. We're almost done, dude. Then we can actually. All the holes are filled, guys. They're all the holes are filled. Now I just need to smooth all the tops off and get them good and smooth with the float. And I think they'll definitely be ready to go. I think I'm excited, dude. I'm so ready to build. I'm ready to get past this stage and move on. So let's get them smooth. Let's get them flat. And let's do the darn thing. Let's go. Yeah, all of my tubes are done now. Fucking let's go. And they're actually level. Bro. Hey. Yo, this is the start of something big. So the next steps are to build on top of this. How amazing is that? Shut the front door. So if you want to see something big, make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that follow button, follow along. But first, I got to find out where I left all my energy because, guys, I am tired as heck. And I probably left it around wheelbarrow number 12, 13, or 14. That's when I started feeling a little tired. So, see you guys in the next one.